Hey guys, how are you? Hopefully you guys are having yourselves an awesome and amazing day, a fantastic day, and everything's going well with you. Before we get started, I need for you guys to make sure that you share this video. Make sure that you hit the share button so that you are sharing this video with your tribe, with your friends. Go on, don't be shy. Don't think that I don't want my friends to see this video. I don't want this on my page. Do me a favor and hit the share button right now, okay? Do that for me. All right, I appreciate all of you that have taken the time to share it. I really do. All right, so who am I? I am Dr. Cosette White, America's #1 advisory accountant and tax expert. I help tax and accounting professionals grow highly profitable firms, even if they know nothing about social media, they say that they are not the salesy type, nor they say they don't want all their business out there on social media. I have a program called Tax and Accounting Institute where I help business owners scale to multiple six figures. So if you'd like additional information, send me a DM or I'll leave some information for you to jump on a webinar with me. All right. In the meantime, I want you guys to let me know where you are chiming in from. Where are you listening to this live from? Where are you listening to this recording? If you are catching it on the replay, please hit #replay. #replay. And just let me know where you guys are listening from. What state, what city. All right, I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you are a business owner, just write the word business owner in the thread. Write the word business owner in the thread. I want to know who I am talking to. All right, so today I want to talk to you guys about CFO services. I want to talk to you about when is it that you should be hiring a CFO to come into your organization, and how do you even know that you need a CFO to come in and assist you in your business? All right. So this was all prompted because I met with my mastermind group this weekend. It's 8 of us. It's actually 7 of us. But we met, and my task was to go over financial statements to help people, to help the women in the mastermind navigate through their profit and loss statement, their forecast actually for 2021. So we started out by breaking out the income, and then we went through all of our expenses to come up with what our net profit would be. So we did this for 12 consecutive months for 2021. And one of the women asked, she raised her hand and she asked the question of, why did I have my income broken out in the manner in which I do? You see, for me, I like to know where my income is coming from, how much income is coming in for the various segments. This will allow me to analyze my numbers closely. It will allow me to see where the bulk of my revenue is coming in. It will allow me to forecast and make some projections based upon that. So that was my answer as to why I had my income broken out into various segments. And then another thing I want you guys to remember is that we should be playing with that multiple streams of income, right? So I have income coming in from multiple streams. So that's another reason why my income was broken out in the manner in which it is. But at the end of the day, what matters is my total income number. My total income number. So then we moved to the expense section, and then there was questions on why did I have some of my line items categorized and the expense or the amount that was in there for year to date. Of course, I answered them. So when I talk about what are CFO services is someone that is coming in, assisting you, looking at and analyzing numbers from a different pair of eyes than your bookkeeper is. You see, your bookkeeper is responsible for putting numbers in and spitting numbers out. You see, I'm gonna say that again. Your bookkeeper is responsible for putting numbers in and spitting numbers out. For those of you that are catching me for the first time or catching me late or just jumping in, we are talking about CFO services. we're talking to our six-figure and beyond, or those looking to get to the six-figure, I'm mainly talking to you guys because you guys are the ones that are struggling, trying to pivot or trying to scale to multiple six figures. What I'm talking about is CFO services and how CFO services can assist you in scaling your business. You see, as I said a few seconds ago, your bookkeeper is responsible for putting numbers in and spitting numbers out. When I say spitting numbers out, they're responsible for providing you with your balance sheet, your profit and loss statement, and a statement of cash flow every single month. Now, hear me clear. It is great. It is perfect because I want you to be looking at your profit and loss statement every single month. But if you or your bookkeeper are not giving you any type of feedback, providing analytical numbers, providing statistics, providing you with feedback as to how you can stop leaving money on the table, as to how you can improve, how you can raise capital, how you can shift some things around such that you're not paying Uncle Sam more at the end of the year, and you're just working with a bookkeeper. You need someone who's going to come in and help you take a deep look at what's going on with the business. How do you put together your KPIs? What KPIs should I be following? And for those of you who don't know what KPIs are, those are key performance indicators. When you set your key performance indicators and you look at them on a weekly, daily, monthly basis, you will be driving your sales goal, whatever that number look like, you will be driving that number in and hitting the target every single month because you know what that number is and you know what key performance indicators help drive you to that number. So a CFO is going to help you look at things from a different pair of glasses pretty much. A CFO is going to help you put together a 12-month forecast. Yes, 2021 is coming. And if you don't have your forecast together so that you can take a look at what you actually forecast and how the numbers actually fell, how can you make decisions? You don't know. It's like the blind leading the blind. You're just putting numbers in and spitting numbers out, getting that report and say, oh, this is where we landed for the month. How can we improve? What can we do differently? Do I need to cut heads? Do I need to bring heads on? If I bring heads on, how can I go about hiring? Do I have enough money to bring people in and buy 10 new laptops or 10 desktops? These are all things that a CFO or CFO services will help you review and analyze. But listen, y'all, if y'all just looking at a financial statement and not really understanding it, or you're not even looking at a financial statement, then you guys are doing yourself a disservice and you will not reach that pivotal point. You can reach it, don't get me wrong. There's been a number of people that have reached six figures and never looked at a financial statement. But I guarantee you, once they started growing and they started feeling those growing pains, I guarantee you they started looking at financial statements to see where they were going and how they can scale even higher. So CFO services will assist you in putting together your 12-month budget. CFO services will help you analyze your cash. Listen, y'all, cash is king. Cash is king, and if you don't know where your cash is, and if you don't have your finger on the trigger, y'all need to stop. Y'all playing. Y'all need to stop playing, okay? For those of you who are just now chiming in, I'm talking to my business owners. Don't leave though, don't leave. I'm talking to my business owners about what are CFO services and when is it that the CEO, that's y'all, when is it that you know that your organization needs to bring someone in different to help you look at numbers from a different pair of glasses, from a different pair of focals? Yes, okay. So listen, you guys, your person that you bring in to assist you with CFO services is also going to help you make decisions as to whether or not you can buy equipment, lease equipment, etc. And listen, you guys, If I am talking to you, what I'm about to say, then I need you to like get closer to the screen. If you are not using other people's money, then you are not taking advantage of your cash. You need to ensure that your business is equipped. If you're not set up with business credit, if you know nothing about business credit, if you don't know where to start, then I need for you to just stay a little closer. Don't leave. Stay to the end, okay? Stay to the end. But as a business owner, listen, you guys, in order to manage your cash, in order to stretch your cash, you need to be utilizing other people's money, OPM. You need to be establishing business credit so that if you buy something, if you buy 10 computers, do you have to buy them outright with cash that moment? Or if you're using other people's money and you're financing those, can you buy those 10 computers and pay for the computers at a later date? Say stretch your cash, 45 days, 30 days, 60 days, whatever the terms are. But if you are not knowledgeable and if your bookkeeper is not educating you on these things, then the blind is leading the blind, and what you don't know, you don't know. Okay, so listen, you guys, enough about that. I had the retreat. We went through our numbers. Everybody got through their forecast for 2021 this past weekend at the retreat. I taught them, just kidding, but we did. We got through our numbers. So listen, if you are struggling with numbers, if you are wondering, how can I be successful and grow and scale my business in 2021? If you are if you offer a coach, if you are a coach, if you are a consultant, if you are a service provider of any type, then I want to personally invite you to my upcoming webinar. I want to invite you to my upcoming webinar, which is Monday, November 23rd. I'm going to leave a link. All you need to do is register for the webinar. It's called Little Known Secrets That Every Business Owner Should Know. All right, little known secrets that every business owner should know. On this webinar, you are going to learn what it looks like to hire a CFO, why you should be hiring a CFO. I'm going to talk to you about the benefits, the pros, the cons. We're going to be talking about what does it look like to have your books analyzed each and every month, why you should have your books analyzed each and every month, and 3 secrets that are preventing you from scaling to the next level. All right, it's a free webinar. It will be Monday, November 23rd. If you are looking to figure out how you can use other people's money, build your business credit, if you are looking to figure out how to manage your cash flow so that you can stretch your cash flow, if you are looking to figure out, she said budget, I've been wanting to do a budget, I don't know how to do a budget, they haven't taught me, my bookkeeper is not helping me, then I want you to join me for my webinar. I welcome you on the webinar, okay? I welcome you. All you need to do is click the link. The webinar is Monday, November 23rd. I believe I'm doing it at 5 p.m. and I welcome you, okay? If you know a colleague, a friend, a business partner that also needs to hear this message, make sure that you please share this video with them. Just hit the share video, share it on your page, share it in various groups that you are in, share it with your tribe so that each one teaches one. All right? Listen, you guys, just a quick recap for those of you who joined me at the end. You didn't hear the whole thing. First of all, I'm Dr. Cosette White, America's #1 advisory accountant and tax expert. I have a Tax and Accounting Institute program where I teach tax and accounting professionals how to grow highly profitable 6-figure firms. So if you know of any CPAs, you know of any EAs, you know of any tax professionals, accountants that have been looking to scale their business, share this video with them, all right? But we talked about CFO services and how do you know when you need one. If you don't know what it is, I'm encouraging you to register for my webinar, which is Monday, November 23rd. All right. Click the link below for all the details as to what we are going to be going over. It is a free webinar. And listen, by now, you guys should know that I always say, if it's free, then it is definitely for me. So it is free, F-R-E-E, free. And I need you to be there, okay? If you are a business owner looking to scale, not sure what to do, not sure how to put that 12-month forecast together for 2021, not sure about cash flow planning, not sure about how to establish business credit, then I encourage you to join me Monday. Monday, I'm looking at my calendar, Monday. Yes, I'm kind of, witty at times, you guys, fun, but join me Monday, November 23rd, for the free webinar, Little Known Secrets. All right, little known secrets. And I'm going to give you guys 3 tips, 3 secrets that every business owner needs to know. All right, in the meantime, I need for you guys to go on out there, have yourself an awesome and amazing day. And I can't wait to catch you on my next live. All right, take care. Bye-bye. And don't forget to share. Bye-bye.